Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and today we'll be going to Walmart. I am super excited about this because last week I did a 1 hour challenge at Walmart and I was trying to get as many things as I could with all of my rebates and my coupons for in an hour. That was really fun. I think I paid like $7 for everything. Today it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to try to do a 20 item challenge. So my out of pocket might be a little bit higher because I'm getting so many items. So a 20 item challenge today at Walmart. Also, we have so many great rebate apps that you guys should be a part of. IBOTTA, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Checkout 51, and Fetch. If you are not a part of any of those, please check them out. They are all amazing and going to get our out of pocket as low as possible, including, of course, coupons. So let's get in the store and get shopping. Praisers and savers, this is what I'm talking about, these amazing deals that we can get at Walmart. I have like a list of like 50 things today that I'm trying to pick up, and the first thing is going to be this Arm & Hammer 5-in-1 packs. The 24 count are $5.20. What we're going to do is pick up 2 of these. When we do, it's going to total us to $10.40. Then we're going to go over to Swagbucks and submit for both of those packages on Swagbucks for 600 Swagbucks or $6. And then we're going to head on over to Checkout 51. There is, you can do this deal up to 5 times on Checkout 51 for $1.30 each, which is $2.60 on Checkout 51. So we've got $8.60 worth of rebates. Bringing this on down to $1.80 for both of them, or just 90 cents each per bag of Arm & Hammer detergent. You can't beat it. 90 cents. The next thing we're picking up is some baby shower gifts, actually. So this is Draft bottle and dish soap. I got it last time. Very excited again. This is $4.97, and I would not normally buy something like this, but because there is a hang tag on here for $1 off, check your stores. I see hang tags on other things as well. There's some hang tags back here on this pink one as well. So check your stores for your hang tags. So it's going to be $4.97. We're going to use that hang tag for $1 off, making these just $3.97. Then we're heading over to IBOTTA for a $2 rebate. That $2 rebate on IBOTTA can be done up to 5 times. So if this is something that you like, that you can stock up on this, and bringing it down from the coupon and also the IBOTTA rebate makes it $1.97. So pretty great deal for a baby shower gift. Awesome. Oh goodness gracious, I need these diapers. I am making a diaper cake for the next baby shower that I am helping to throw, and these diapers are $5.47. What best diapers to make a diaper shower cake out of than Love's diapers. So these are $5.47 on IBOTTA. There's a $2 rebate, making these just $3.47 each. Today is Friday, November the 5th, and this runs out in 6 days. So if you have not gotten your Love's diapers for $3.47, head on over to Walmart and submit that IBOTTA rebate. This is a repeat deal from last week on Shopkicks. We got these sorted fruit Tums right here. They're $1.97. I submitted over on Shopkicks for $420 scans and kicks. What I did was I scanned the bigger bottle here and it worked just fine. And then it was able to take off $1.68 for those, making these just 29 cents per container. Now there was a great deal that I saw on Sister Saving You Cents where they got the Alka-Seltzer Kids Chewies just like this, and this is the kind that we like in our house. They do not carry that in my store, but there is an IBOTTA rebate for $1.50 off and the rebate back, and there is a $1.50 in Fetch Rewards. So check that out, see if you have it. I do not, but it's on IBOTTA and also on Fetch. I believe it was, yep, both were that. It was going to make it a freebie, but I don't have it in my store. I'm going to keep looking though. Alright, so I have an insane moneymaker on these Jet Puff Marshmallow Bites. There is a clearance tag on here. Didn't expect that. So these are usually $3.28. IBOTTA put out a rebate today for a free one of these. So you just had to buy one and you got $3.28 back. But with that being only $1, I'm going to get back $2.28, making this an insane moneymaker. So I'm making $2.28 off of these marshmallow bites that my kids will absolutely love. So check your stores, see if they're on clearance as well. It wasn't on clearance on the end caps, it was just in the regular aisle with the rest of the marshmallows. So I cannot believe this. So these are going to be $2.28 Moneymaker. I'm going to use this to pay for my other items as well. Oh, they got me tired up in Walmart today climbing shelves. I had to climb all the way to the back to get this Holland House Sherry. So picking this up, these are $2.08, so $2.08. Picking up 2 of them. We have to pick up 2 of them for this to work. It's gonna make it $4.16 when we pick up both of them. My husband better make me something yummy with this Holland House Sherry wine, picking one. We're gonna submit to checkout 51 2 times for 75 cents on each. So 75 cents, 75 cents, that's $1.50 on checkout 51. You can actually do this deal 5 times on checkout 51, but we're just gonna do it twice. And then we're going to submit 2 Swagbucks for $2 back, making this just 66 cents together, or 33 cents each. 33 cents each is a pretty awesome deal. All right, so we got a high-valued IBOTTA rebate on this Healthy Choice dress. I never tried it. I'm going to try it today. It says they're all plant-powered, and that one right there, Greener Goddess, Greener Goddess, whatever, looks a little sketchy. I don't know about this one. Greener Goddess. Tomato puree, spinach puree, sunflower oil. That just sounds so healthy. I'm getting this one because I love garden French. So these are $3.52. We're going to submit to IBOTTA for $2, making these just $1.52. There is a limit of 5 on here, so if you really like this dressing, and remember it's good for you, 45 calories, 30 calories, pick you up some today. So after that IBOTTA rebate, it'll just be $1.52. All right, got a moneymaker on this Oikos yogurt. These are $1 each, and I'm glad they have them because I tried to get them the past couple weeks and my store was sold out. They've gotten more yogurts, but still a little bit low. So these are $1 each. What we're gonna do is I got this coupon from coupons.com for 65 cents off of one. So that's a really great coupon for a yogurt, bringing it down to 35 cents. And then we're gonna head on over to IBOTTA for a rebate of 50 cents. This 50-cent rebate is going to give us a 15-cent moneymaker on this. 15-cent moneymaker is pretty amazing when we've had other moneymakers already today. Now, if you do not have that 65-cent coupon, that is fine. That's still a great deal. And this can be done up to 5 times on IBOTTA. So making these just 50 cents each if you don't have that coupon. All right, when I saw this in the IBOTTA app, I thought it had to be a special popcorn, but it does not. So the cheapest one that we have at my store are $2.28. I had to look all the way in the back for these, as seems like my story today. So $2.28 for these. There's a 75-cent IBOTTA rebate coming off on this, making this just $1.53, so $1.53 for the small box of popcorn. 75-cent IBOTTA rebate. Got an item I've never gotten before. This is the cherry bundied cherry juice. This is the light one. I wanted the regular one, but they don't have it anymore in my store, and that's okay. We're gonna try this out. These are $5.36. We're gonna submit to IBOTTA for $1.25. Now this is a limit of 3, so you can do this deal up to 3 times on IBOTTA if you choose. And then we're going over to Shopkicks for I think 650 scans and kicks, which equals $2.46 Shopkicks. So $2.46 Shopkicks coming off. Sorry, yeah. And then the total price is going to be $1.65 after both of those rebates. So I'm going to try it out, see if I like it. It's supposed to be really good for you. I know anytime I'm not feeling well, I always like to eat cherries, fresh cherries. So I'm going to try this out today. It's like recover faster on here, rebuild smarter, and rest better. I'm going to do it. These weird little messed up bottles they got going on over here. Try it out. I have been trying to get this box of Hungry Jack potatoes to other stores like Publix, but they didn't have the right box. It was either like the super small box or the little packets they have, but they have the big box. This makes 36 servings. These are $2.88. I'm going to be using IBOTTA for a 75-cent rebate, which could be done up to 5 times, but I'm not going to do that today. And then I'm also heading over to checkout 51 for a $1 rebate, and I believe that can be done at 5 times as well. I'm not sure. And then, so that's going to bring our cost down to $1.13 for a nice shelf staple item that we can keep in our cabinet whenever we're needing some potatoes. So $1.13. picking up some Ragu Simply for under $1. So excited about that. So these were $1.62 here at my Walmart. I'm going to submit over to checkout 51 for 67 cents, and this deal can be done up to 5 times, making these just 95 cents each. So pretty good on some pasta sauce, 95 cents. Oh my goodness, these are super cute. I cannot wait to try these with my kiddos. So these Ortego mini tacos, slider shells, teeny tiny. It is $2.48 right now at Walmart. You have to pick up 2 of them for this to work. It's gonna be $4.96 when you pick up 2. And then on checkout 51, you're going to do the checkout 51 deal twice on these for 62 cents each. So when you do that twice, it's gonna be $1.24 worth of checkout 51. Then head on over to Swagbucks and submit for 200 Swagbucks or $2. So you have checkout 51 for $1.24 and Swagbucks for $2. Making these just $1.72 or 86 cents each. So 86 cents each for the cute little mini taco slider shells. In addition to the mini taco shells from Ortega, you also can pick up the Ortega taco sauce. Make sure that you load that on IBOTTA as well for 200 swag. Oh, sorry, not IBOTTA. Not IBOTTA, sorry. You load that on Swagbucks for 200 Swagbucks or $2 for these. It's the same deal as before. So what you're going to do is you're going to load 2 things. You're going to load the Swagbucks and also you're going to load the checkout 51. And when I loaded the checkout 51, I loaded 4 items. So I did the 2 taco shells and the 2 sauces. It has to be the 16-ounce sauces. Don't get the small ones. It will not work. So what's going to happen is, same deal. You're buying 2 at $2.48, which is $4.96. We check out 51, it's going to be $1.24 because you're getting both of those at 62 cents each. And then that Swagbucks is going to be $2, making these $1.72 together or 86 cents each. So I'm picking these up as well on my spreadsheet. My purple breakdown is just going to have 4 items. So 4 was the 2 taco sauces and the 2 shells. We have a small money maker in the travel section. These Clorox to-go wipes are perfect for your car. These are just 97 cents. We're going to submit to Shopkick. I'm going to get out the way for somebody. There we go. We're going to submit to Shopkicks for 250 kicks. If you want to, you can go scan them, but it's only 10 scans, and I'm not going to do that. So that makes it $1. So 250 kicks is just going to make that $1, and so that's a 3-cent money maker on these Clorox to-go wipes. And I just wanted to point out something. These right here we get at Publix all the time. Johnson's first aid kits, look at that, $2.33. They pay us at Publix to buy those, so that's pretty exciting to know that we get paid to buy those at Publix. Alright, this is a repeat deal from last week. We got the Suave Advanced Therapy Lotion. These are $1.72, but this is going to be a great money maker for us again on this. So on Shopkick, we're going to scan this in for 525 scans and kicks. It's going to be $2.10 in a rebate that we're going to get back, making this a 38-cent money maker. So great deal. Stock up on another money maker. This is a repeat deal on the Poise pads. We're actually going to be picking these up for 18 cents each. So they're usually $4.68. These over here are $4.84, but I'm going to get the ones that are $4.68. I'm picking up 2 packs at $9.36. We have a $5 coupon that I printed from coupons.com. If you do not have this coupon, do not worry. You can submit to the coupons.com app, making that $4.36 after the coupon. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $2 on each pack because we're getting 2 packs, bringing it down to 36 cents or 18 cents per pack. All right, next deal are going to be on these Halls cough drops. I'm actually going to get these honey lemon flavor at $2.48. We have a $1 coupon that came out. I do not know the date on this. I'll have to check. It came out for these mini cough drops. And then checkout 51 has a $1 back rebate. And the bad thing about this one is it can only be done one time with checkout 51. So you're gonna use that $1 coupon to checkout 51 for $1, making these just 48 cents each. Really great deal on some Halls cough drops. Got a total freebie on this Bertolli sauce. These are $2 each. So what I'm going to do is I'm picking up 2 of these at $2 each. I'm going to submit to checkout 51 twice, so you can do it $1.25 and $1.25. Making that $2.50 with checkout 51, and this can be done up to 5 times. And then you can head on over to Swagbucks. When you buy 2, you'll get 150 Swagbucks or $1.50, making this a total freebie. Awesome deal. Every item was less than 80 cents per item. So we got everything for less than $1. 80 cents per item was amazing. Now I did 3 different transactions in the store because of Shopkicks and Swagbucks. We don't want to try to mix those. So my Shopkicks transaction was $10.50. Let me show you that right there for my Shopkicks transaction. Okay, go ahead, sweetie. Get all your stuff out the car. Then my Swagbucks transaction was going to be where I got the mini taco shells and all that. That was $29.67. And of course I used my PayPal, those gift cards every single time I go into the store. So this is just coming from rolling those rewards. So that's $29.67 for those items there. And then also on this receipt with that $1 money, that $2.28 Moneymaker on those Jet Puffs. This is on this next receipt. Now this next receipt is going to be my IBOTTA receipt, and also I have checkout 51 and all that on here. And this one was $28.96. So I haven't submitted to Fetch yet. I always wait till the end. But right now, my total, before everything, well, my total that I paid for out of pocket, because I'm going to submit all these to Fetch and everything else. I always check my printable breakdown just to make sure I'm okay and everything. My total was $70.60. So $70.60 before coupons and everything else. And my total ended up being only $19.17, which means I had 24 items, and that's 79 cents per item, or about 80 cents when we round up. So I will take it all day long, considering we got diapers and detergent and so many great things that we actually need for our home. So super excited about that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time at CVS. Yep, we'll be going to CVS next. All right, see you then. Thanks. Bye.